Assalamualaikum, nama saya Nur Badrisha Balkis binti Nazri, nombor metrik 08DKA 20F1058. Video ini mengenai Civil Engineering Materials. Pensyarah ialah Encik Muhammad Syahril bin Rabu. Ini ialah soalan yang kami perlu lakukan, iaitu you need to do an individual presentation using video and upload it in the assignment link in MS Team. All video and pictures must be original and have a watermark of the date and time it was shot. Determine the use of construction material in existing projects near your place. Relate with good video content with any topic that has been learned in class. Choose any topic below. First, concrete work at the construction site. Second is reinforced concrete. 3 is timber. What I choose is reinforced concrete. Lokasi yang saya pilih ialah Kampung Lubuk Batu, Rompin Pahang. Kawasan ini dahulunya mempunyai jambatan kayu, tetapi akibat daripada banjir, jambatan itu ruput dan juga runtuh. Jadi sekarang ialah proses untuk membuat jambatan baru yang lebih kukuh untuk keselamatan masyarakat di sana. Introduction. Concrete is weak in tension but strong in compression. Therefore, reinforcement is needed to resist the tensile stresses resulting from the applied load. Additional reinforcement sometimes added to the compression zone to reduce long-term deflection. Reinforcement concrete. First, concrete is about 90% weaker in tension than it is in compression. Second, steel has high tensile strength, has the same thermal expansion as concrete, and bonds well with concrete. 3. Reinforced concrete is a strong, durable building material that can be formed into many varied shapes and size. Lastly, its utility and versatility are achieved by combining the best feature of concrete and steel. Properties of reinforced concrete. First, the tensile strength is only about 10% of the compressive strength. Second, reinforced concrete structures are designed on the assumption that the concrete does not resist any tensile force. Third, reinforcement is designed to carry these tensile force which are transferred by bond between the interface of the two materials. Then, if this bond is not adequate, the reinforcing bars will just slip within the concrete and there will not be a composite action. Concrete must be well compacted around the reinforcement during construction. In addition, some bars are ripped or twisted so that there is an extra mechanical grip. Next slide is type of reinforcement. Second is reinforcement bar, such as mild steel round bar, high tensile diaphragm bar, high yield diaphragm bar. Second is reinforced steel mesh, hexagonal wire mesh, welded wire mesh, and framework. Bending method for reinforced bar. The work of bending reinforcement bar is carried out after cutting jobs. It uses a hand bending tool which is placed on the table. Table must be long enough to put a long bar reinforcement. Bar bending is done slowly to avoid capillary cracking. For large diameter bar, it should be heated first. For the high yield bar, it cannot be heated before bending. If the bar is too long, then the two bending devices are used. Next is connection method. First is lap joint. Lap joints are used most often to join two pieces with differing thicknesses together. Second is boot joint. A boot joint is the most universal used method of joining pipe to itself, fitting, flanks, and other equipment. Lastly is fillet joint. Fillet joints such as T, lap, and corner joints are the most common connection in welded fabrication. Lastly is
Relate the binding spacing in reinforcement installation. First, reinforcement walls installed according to engineering drawing that is attached to a building. Then, it is important to ensure that the reinforcement has a concrete cover. Steel is bound with coarse iron fastener 16 or 18. These iron fasteners are used to stabilize and facilitate the placement of the reinforcement wire. Then in the CP110, we can know the requirement in the design of reinforcement structure. All bending shall be made by engineering drawing. Tolerance is 25%.
Sekian, terima kasih.